Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy drep. Welcome to my YouTube channel, the channel where I might post anything, but just know you gonna see everything. Nah, I'm messing with you, but listen. So today, I'm gonna be reviewing my subs that's going in my truck. We doing a truck build, whole sound build. This gonna be my real deal truck build. You know, I've been hooking up sounds for a little while, and now it's just time for me to get into it, do it, and create my main build that I, never went this big before. And I want everybody to see this. I'm gonna have the cars. Of course, I'm gonna have the workout. You know what I'm saying? We gotta do everything super big this year, so we gonna get straight into it. You know what I'm saying? Today is an unboxing video. As you can see, these things is monstrous. This is just some that I'm a recon. These things used to be HDC 318s. And I just sat on them so long. Soundqubed didn't have them in stock, the recons or whatever. So what I did was I just took my time and I waited for them to come up with the, HDXs, which went out of stock too because of the COVID, I guess, So what I did was just waited, and decided on, okay, I couldn't find no HDC3 recon, so I decided to, okay, we're gonna just switch the whole goddamn thing. So when I started switching the whole goddamn thing, which was like it was a lot of months ago, the HDX recons had went out of stock, and I'm happy that I grabbed my 3 baskets, because these was like HDC3, all 3 of them, and I grabbed my 3 baskets just in time before those went out of stock. So it was kind of frustrating at the time, and I was like, all right, I would just go bars out with something different. But I've been rocking with these speakers. At first they had Dave Lee recons in them in the HDC version, and I loved them. Dave Lee, shout out to you too. Everything was okay, and it was running real strong, so a bass head, bass addict, we always tend to want to step it up a little bit more. So that's what happened now. So I just want to get my big build out the way and knock it out. And let's get to this dang on unboxing video though, because the boy got a new 18 right now outside the door. Now let's see. So this is how it came packaged. I have to move everything out the way, most definitely, because man, these things is huge. And one thing I did forget to get was my knife. So Mr. Jaysso lowithertz, let's see how he do it. All right, so this box came real beat up, but it's not his fault. I can understand, but he packaged this thing so nice. Yeah. And let me tell y'all, he was so cool. He talked to me the whole time. After he took my payment, we was talking about other stuff. At first I thought I was irritating him, but that's just to let you know he gonna talk to you. And most definitely he gonna send you your product. I was just trying to go on the internet, right, and look at the Soundqubed forums and stuff, and I found on Facebook it was a YouTube page, so I liked it and I got in because I know Soundqubed is big to some people. So I just wanted to see what was out there Soundqubed, because I know I had the recons, and I ran across this guy, Jaysso lowithertz, and I seen him comment, so I did some stalker move, like, all right, that man said he got a whole, okay, he got a whole HDC, HX, whatever this shit called. No, I'm just playing. No, he got a whole HDX 18. He said he got just laying around, and he had a blown one at first and he sent it off. So I was like, all right, I'm gonna hit him up and I want to get this one. So that's what I did, Show me a good deal, I didn't mind paying extra for the shipping, pretty much any extra saving in this build is nice. I don't care how much I save, as long as it's something, a penny, that'll be nice. So let me show y'all how it's packed. Okay, so just what you get with a Jaysso lowithertz. We just bass head brothers trying to get our products to each other. It ain't gotta be too serious. As long as it get here, and we all gonna be happy and basing. And I'm gonna be sharing and sharing. And this thing is huge. And let me know, I'm gonna be playing this thing like crazy. I don't mind. All right, there we go. Look at it. So yeah, let me pull this thing on out. I don't care about the plastic because I'm keeping this thing no matter what. It's so low it hurts. Look at it. Ooh. This thing packs some power. Heavy. All right, so I'm gonna set it right next to his new wives. This the boy, that's the 3 wives, you know. He already got his shit together. You know, we get these motherfucking women, we ain't got it together. But no, I'm just playing. Let's see. Oh, yeah, nice. Jaysso, it hurt. Hey, you just started my build, brother, and I appreciate it. Oh, this thing is so official too. When he saw it, he like, yeah, this is the only one that really took the beating, but it's still stiff. Shout out to SoundQubed, man. And I like the surrounding and how beefy it is. Now the HDC3 was cool too, and I like the new cone they got. Like, that is real nice. I'm a fan of the gray cone too, with the green and stuff like that, you know, the original. Yep. And this thing is nice, man. Most definitely keeping it stock. The other 3 will be ordered, and I'm keeping it stock. So I'm ready to see what I'm gonna do box wise. This is going in a 2003 Chevy Suburban. So y'all will see that soon. I just wanted to do this quick unboxing video of my new sub. They say they played a good SQ now with, you know, softer coils and everything. So we gonna see how it go. And I'm gonna let y'all know most definitely we gonna make a good history with this first build you'll see me doing. I hooked up tons of sounds before. Tons of car audio builds. You know, y'all might see one on my channel that I'm about to do soon. Probably finish that way before I do mine. It's one of my friend's cars, and he got a nice setup too, 4XFL12. So yeah, you know, I'm gonna hook him up real nice. 9 times out of 10 you'll see that, because guess what, everything drep. Nah, shout out to my man Jaysso, it hurts. Make sure y'all go hit him up. You might see him on Facebook, you can see him on YouTube. Type it in, Jaysso, it hurts like the hertz of a speaker. Jaysso, it hurts, like hertz, 60 hertz. How many hertz your box play? Just like that. Make sure y'all go see what he got to offer y'all. He also build boxes and ship them out. He told me he built the best boxes over there where he at, and you know, he got a lot of customers coming in, and his name is picking up real super heavy. So don't be discouraged. Check that man and make sure y'all ask questions, and you will see that he really is a nice dude, and he will comment back under your posts, whatever you need him to do, you know, on the sound forms, or you know, just getting your stuff to you. Like, that is real good. You know, I trusted him when I threw my money at him, and he didn't have to. I ain't using no PayPal, I ain't doing no straight Facebook. Boom, get it, I need it, pow. And guess what he did? At my front door, and I appreciate him for that. He just don't know he earned a brand new bass, brother, and I'm gonna make history on my channel, and I'm wishing him the best too. And you know, I'm sweating. It's like a workout itself. So yeah, big heavy speaker. So all right, thank y'all. Make sure you hit him up. Jaysso, it hurt. Get a custom box, anything. Tell him I sent you, and you know, we gonna go from there. Deep rep.